Welcome to Prepally examination portal. Enter the URL in any web browser. Enter the organization code and registered mobile number. Enter the OTP received. You'll see the batches you have been registered in upon successful login. Click on the specific batch to see more details about the particular batch. Different sections can be seen on the left. Click on the test section to attempt a test or to see marks in any test attempted earlier. Click on Attempt Test to start the ongoing test. Read the instructions before starting the test. Once the test starts, you'll be in full screen mode. Any attempt to exit the test will be considered as a malpractice. Different test sections can be seen on the top. Students can browse through them, or can attempt the test in any order of their preference. The interface on the right will show details for the particular section student is attempting at the moment. They can see different color on the question number, which informs about the questions, which are answered, unanswered or marked for review. During the test, student can browse through different questions across different section at any point of time. A timer can be seen on top right, which shows total time remaining for the specific test, after which the test will auto-submit. If student try to change the tab or change to a different screen, it will show a warning. Upon trying to change tab more than 2 times, the test will auto-submit. Students can finish the test by clicking Submit button on bottom right, any time before the stipulated time. Upon successful completion of the test, student can see the section-wise report, and can check the test analysis. Students can click on View Solution, to see detailed analysis of the question and check what questions they have done wrong and what were correct answer for those questions. The interface while viewing solution is same as the test interface. Students can browse through different test sections. They can also check time spent at that particular question. Student can click on the button on bottom right once they are done checking every questions, and have done the test analysis. Student will be redirected back to the test section, when they are done, and can once again see all the tests they have attempted on the examination platform. Clicking on the individual test, students can see the stats of their performance and relative batch performance. For every test, student can check relative performance based on different criteria. Different criteria can be selected from the drop-down menu. Thank you for watching. For any further query regarding the portal, please feel free to contact us.